So all four of these eyes are doing 30 amps on a 110 circuit. Is it 110 or 220?
220.
220 circuit. Goodness.
You got 30 on one and about 40, 42 on the other.
Okay.
But I don't know that any of this is right either.
Okay. So the generator's got about, what, 15 minutes now?
Generator's doing what it's supposed to.
So it's not choking or bogging down, so we're doing good.
Generator's doing what it's supposed to. I'm going to start the lights on. All the switches are on.
You want to leave these things hot?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stand here and watch them. Stand here and watch.
Lights.
These are 12 volt. They're on a switch.
Those are 110 in there?
Those are 110.
Oh, okay.
So what do we have? 23 kW. You're trying to load it down?
Yes.
Okay. So I've got a brand new generator in the boat, 23 kilowatts, 23,000 watts, and we're trying to load it down to make sure that the generator can hold the load. This is important for warranty testing on a brand new generator. It's also important when you're buying a used boat or even a brand new boat to make sure that the generator can hold the load. If you've got questions about generators, surveys, and buying boats, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.